Hi, this is Keel's Garage. Welcome back, gearheads. Today, I'm unveiling the world's top 5 spark plugs for the legendary 5.3 Vortec engine. Whether you're a seasoned mechanic or a DIY enthusiast, this guide is your ticket to optimized performance. So, let's dive in and rev up those engines. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment for more updates. Let's get started. Number 1. NGK 3951, a pack of 8 premium motorcycle copper spark plugs designed to elevate your riding experience. Crafted by NGK, a trusted name in spark plug technology, these plugs ensure optimal ignition performance, enhancing engine efficiency and power delivery. The copper core facilitates superior heat dissipation, prolonging plug life and maintaining consistent performance even in demanding riding conditions. With precise engineering and durable construction, NGK 3951 spark plugs are the perfect choice for motorcycle enthusiasts seeking reliability and performance. Upgrade your ride with NGK 3951 today. Number 2. Compact 5.3 Spark Plug, the ultimate solution for optimal engine performance. Crafted with precision engineering, this spark plug ensures efficient ignition, maximizing fuel economy and engine power. Its advanced design promotes longevity, reducing the need for frequent replacements. With easy installation and compatibility with a wide range of vehicles, Compact 5.3 guarantees hassle-free maintenance. Say goodbye to engine misfires and hello to smoother rides with Compact 5.3 Spark Plug, the epitome of reliability and performance. Number 3. Manutech's 41 to 110 iridium spark plugs and M8-48322 spark plug wires for 5.3 engines. Elevate your engine's performance with these top-notch spark plugs and wires. The Manutech's 41 to 110 spark plugs boast iridium construction for superior durability and conductivity, ensuring reliable ignition every time. Paired with the M8-48322 spark plug wires, which are engineered for optimal energy transfer and heat resistance, this combo maximizes engine power and efficiency. Say goodbye to misfires and hello to smoother acceleration and improved fuel efficiency. Upgrade your ride with Manutech's precision and reliability. Number 4. Tikani Iridium Spark Plugs and Wires Set, engineered for peak performance and durability. These plugs boast advanced iridium technology, ensuring consistent spark and efficient combustion, optimizing engine power and fuel efficiency. The accompanying wires are crafted with premium materials, delivering reliable ignition and minimizing interference. Whether you're upgrading for enhanced performance or routine maintenance, Tikani guarantees quality and longevity. Transform your driving experience with precision-engineered ignition components. Get your Tikani Iridium spark plugs and wires set today. Number 5. Sixity Auto 8PC NGK V-Power Spark Plugs. Crafted for optimal engine performance, these spark plugs are compatible with a wide range of vehicles. Engineered with NGK's V-Power technology, they ensure efficient combustion, promoting smoother acceleration and enhanced fuel economy. With their durable construction, these spark plugs offer long-lasting reliability, keeping your engine firing on all cylinders. Upgrade your vehicle's ignition system with Sixity Auto's precision-engineered spark plugs for a smoother ride and improved fuel efficiency. In conclusion, selecting the best spark plugs for your 5.3 Vortec engine is crucial for optimal performance and efficiency. Whether it's iridium, platinum, or copper, understanding your engine's needs is key. Remember to prioritize quality, longevity, and compatibility. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Share for more updates and informative videos.